Once you have baked your cake and it is cooled, use a mini cookie cutter like this to punch out little heart shapes. I recommend baking your cake in a 9 by 13 pan so that you're able to get at least a dozen shapes. If you need more shapes, I would use a larger jelly roll pan. Grab your cupcake tin and add your liners, then fill each liner about a quarter way full and place a heart in the batter. And for best results, place your cutouts in the fridge for about 10 minutes or so. This way, when you bake the cupcakes, they'll hold their shapes. Then once you've added all of your hearts, top with a little bit more batter. You'll only need enough to cover the heart shape. Then tap the pan to even the batter out, and then you're gonna bake according to your recipe. Now for the buttercream, let's get a sheet of plastic wrap. Add white buttercream in the shape of a line on top of the wrap. Then do the same with some chocolate buttercream or vanilla buttercream that's colored brown. And these cupcakes work really well with store-bought frosting too, so if you'd rather go that route, that will work. Now once you're done adding the frosting on the plastic wrap, go ahead and roll it up into a sausage-like shape. And be sure to close one of the ends to make sure the frosting doesn't squeeze out, and cut off the opposite end and place it into the piping bag that's already fit with a 1M tip. Guide the frosting with your hand all the way down to the tip. Secure the bag by twisting it at the top. Once the cupcakes have completely cooled, start in the center of your cupcake and swing the frosting around to the outer edge, building up and tapering the frosting in. And now you can add any colorful sprinkles that you'd like. I like these pastel sprinkles for the CareBear theme. Add your CareBear themed topper. I like these edible wafers that I got from Sprinkle Pop. And these are perfect for any kids CareBear themed party. So let's take a look at the inside now. You should be able to see the cute heart shape when you bite into them. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please tag me on Instagram so I can see how yours came out.